It's true, and it's time for me to get a new one. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you take control of your life through personal development, smart money habits, and entrepreneurship. If those things sound good to you, then please let me know by clicking the like and subscribe buttons down below. So I've had my eyes on this card for a long time, at least 4 or 5 months, maybe even 6 months now. As you all probably know, credit card offers come and go over time, so I've been waiting for the right offer at the right time when I can take advantage of it most. $500 cash sign-up bonus, $300 cash just for my normal day-to-day expenditures, equaling a 5.3% return on all spend. By the way, up to $50,000 per year. I don't spend 50 grand, so that for me is basically unlimited. $0 annual fee. It will not report to my personal credit file. And to top it all off, it also has 0% interest for an entire year as well. All right, enough talking about the card. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna go get it right now. Watch me do it. All right, so now I'm here at my computer. I'm gonna go over to AmericanExpress.com and then scroll down to their business cards section and look out for the blue business cash card. Awesome, there it is right there. I'll go ahead and select it. And then make sure that everything in terms of the offer is what I was expecting and what I'm going after. So up to $500 in statement credits. That's broken into two parts, $250 after spending $5K in 6 months, and another $250 statement credit after spending $10K, an additional $10K, excuse me, throughout the first year. So a total of $15K spend over the entire first 12 months of the card would give a total of $500 in statement credits, 0% APR for the first year, 2% cash back on all purchases, no category bonuses, no points to keep track of, nothing that rotates every quarter, just a straight 2% cash on up to $50K of total spend per calendar year, no annual fee. So all that looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and click on apply. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill out this form. I'm going to, of course, pause the video real quick while I fill out all this personal information, and then I'll come right back before I submit and we can watch the result together. And we're back. So I'm now here at the bottom of the form. I filled out all the information for the personal and the business side of things. Scrolling down to the terms and conditions, which I can review here. Those will also be sent to me via mail. And now I'm going to go ahead and submit the application. So here we go. Wish me luck, you guys. Pending sucks. Denials suck even more. So something I've learned over the years is that when someone says no, that does not necessarily mean no forever. So I'm gonna actually call the American Express reconsideration line and see if they can do something to help me out here. All right, let's do this. So I have my web browser open here on the left-hand side with the Amex reconsideration line open. And I also have my phone over here, so that way you can see me calling the number itself. So let's go ahead and give them a quick dial. 567-1083 and see what the result is. I'll put it on speakerphone too.
American Express. Para servicio en español, diga español. If you received a communication from us and would like to check the status of an application, say status. If you think you might be a victim of identity theft, say identity. Please wait while I connect you to a representative. For quality purposes, this call may be monitored or recorded. Thank you for calling American Express. You're through to on a recorded line. How may I help you?
Hey, good morning to you. I'm calling to check on the status of a credit card application.
Certainly, sir. I'll be more than happy to check the information for you. By any chance, do you have a reference number for me which starts with 2020?
Yes, I do. Are you ready for it now?
I'm ready. Thank you so much. And may I know your name as well?
Sure, this is Jeffrey Mark Reese.
Thank you. We'll be asking a couple of security questions. So may I please confirm the last 4 digits of your social security number? Thank you. And may I please confirm your year of birth? Thank you. Great. So I do see that you have applied for a blue business cash on 1st of August 2020, and I can see that this was applied online, sir. Is that correct?
Yes, that's all correct.
Great, sir. Well, unfortunately, we are unable to approve the card for you at this point in time because it seems like you are trying to apply for a lending card which has exceeded the limit. So, which means either you have to the card to ensure that we get this approved for you, sir.
Yes, no problem. So I spoke with another agent last week and I did cancel out one of the cards. I was just told to wait about 2 or 3 days because it still appeared as active in the system.
Oh, I see. So is it okay if I go ahead and forward the request to our dedicated team so that they can look onto this for you so that we can process further with that?
Yes, that would be great. And of course, another 2 to 3 days has to go by, but that's okay because now I've got some momentum going again. So far, I want you to realize something. Again, when you receive pending or something like that, or even a flat out denial, in most situations, just search for the reconsideration number online, find out what it is, and call it. Talk to somebody live, see if they can reconsider your application. Sometimes they just need some more information from you. You never really know until you ask. And I've also had a lot of situations where I have too much credit allocated to me already by that bank. So I just move some credit from one card that I've already had for a while over to the new card to open up the new account. All right, here we are 2 days later. I got the approval via email. Super excited about this. I'll put it up on the screen for you all to see. It was not mentioned in email what the credit limit is, but I went through the little add to profile procedure and I saw it appear in my account. The limit was $9,000. So definitely happy about that. I was hoping for a $15,000, but nonetheless, like with most cards, you can always call in after you open your new account and ask them to do a credit limit increase. I'm probably gonna wait about 6 months or so. That way I show some positive payment history. Oh, and one more little tip here. If you have some big purchases coming up, that's a perfect time to go get a new credit card because you have that initial sign-up bonus spend requirement. So if you have to spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in the first 3 months, position that new card application around a time where you have to go buy some new stuff for your house, like a couch or whatever it may be. But if you know you have those big purchases coming, see what cards help you meet your goals and then apply for it slightly before that big purchase hits so the spend requirement is a lot easier for you and you're not forced to spend beyond your means because you already have budgeted that expense. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it out in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know what you think about the Blue Business Cash Card from American Express. Would you consider getting it? Would you not? And the reason why? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you all again very soon. And remember, you are great.